Adding positive reviews to your homepage gives confidence to your customers and lets them feel good about making a purchase. To start, let's go into your Shopify admin and select your live theme. Duplicate it and rename it. Now we're going to customize your homepage and add reviews exactly how you would like your test version to appear. You need to add the testimonial section and drag it directly where you would like it to appear on your website. Add customer reviews, save, and exit. Go into your Neat A/B testing app and create a theme test. Select the rename duplicated theme, then select your cycle time, and you can start your test or schedule a specific start date and time. How easy was that? This has been your Neat A/B Testing 1-Minute Helper.